Thrasos 3D, Alena and Vasily. Please join me on stage, or are you going to come up here? All right, so we got Vasily, and he can tell you all about his startup, Thrasos 3D.
Hi everyone, excited to be here. Did you realize that over the decades we've spent billions and billions of dollars fighting our oceans instead of working with them? That we are building walls, literally, in place of bridges with nature? My name is Vasily Korshikov. I'm CEO and co-founder of Thrasos 3D, and we are changing this paradigm using nature-positive materials to regenerate marine ecosystems and protect our coastlines. In the view of more frequent coastal flood and more destructive storms, governments and private property owners are looking for solutions to increase coastal resilience. But too often they fall for a simple way of building more concrete seawalls with breakwaters, which only address the tip of the iceberg, while the true ocean crisis unfolds below the surface. Record-breaking ocean warming and acidification, because massive coral die-offs, opening up the way for accelerated coastal erosion and sea level rise, and resulting in increasing damage from high tides and storms. We are here not to build another wall. Nature has built a perfect protective solution to reefs, and what it really needs is our help to rebuild it. And it needs our help to rebuild it now, with almost 80% of Caribbean reefs already gone. We've seen it ourselves, and we documented it for you. These images are from Grenada, but believe me, this is what's happening all across the Caribbean. And it's important because healthy coral reefs dissipate up to 97% of wave energy, safely protecting our coastlines. They are nature's perfect breakwater. What happens when this protection vanishes? When the reef dies, its calcium carbonate skeleton starts dissolving in seawater, and the reef eventually loses its height, its volume, and with them its ability to protect the coastline. Almost 50% of beaches in Caribbean are affected, and this particular coastline in Mexico has disappeared in less than 50 years, leaving the community endangered and making businesses there lose clients because the area is not as attractive anymore as it used to be. And another concrete seawall will not resolve their problems. There is an urgent unmet demand for better solutions, nature-applied solutions. And we have one. Our technology combines innovation in material science, manufacturing, and design. Our material transforms waste biomass into a biocompatible carbon-negative ceramic produced through our proprietary method of manufacturing, which cuts energy costs, energy consumption by 90% compared to traditional kilns for ceramics. 3D printing enables design freedom, allowing creation of biomimicking structures that dissipate wave energy just like nature gives, while also providing essential habitat for marine life. The first product based on our technology, the Domosphere, is a first-of-a-kind regenerative solution aiming to boost marine life. We designed it to enhance corals' natural ability to dissipate waves. Corals planted onto this surface have up to 85% better chances to survive during bleaching events. And the material formulations is designed to resist green microalgae which suffocate the corals and to be easily colonized by pink current algae, making it a dream surface for coral restoration. Additionally, we've turned sargassum silicone into the part of our solution. At the moment of installation, every square meter of Domospheres would have sequestered permanently nearly half a ton of CO2, making reef building 3 times more efficient than planting trees. But that's only the beginning. With our technology, we enable regenerative solutions across multiple industries, with total market size reaching up to $85 billion. Ecotourism leads the charge, as we see already strong signs of interest from marine park developers and resort owners to invest in reef restoration as a means of enhancing their coastal assets. Then we can beautify existing coastal protection infrastructure and implement better solutions that work with nature, not against it. We can also create great foundations for aquaculture, like oyster reefs, fisheries. And we can help other companies decarbonize their operations by offering them carbon credits. We are executing quickly towards our vision. In July, we secured an LOI with a wind park developer in Mexico for $300,000 per year, and then followed up with a contract for paid pilot installation of 4 demonstrators, and we are on track to develop and to deliver 80 demonstrators more for another customer. We got nominated for Luxury Prize this year, and completed the program with Seaworthy collective, and then we are taking off the DECA investment program by BFA, Global and US Ventures in Mexico. It is actually not our first time transforming an industry to 3D printing and sustainable materials. All the team behind the solution comes from Mighty Buildings, a US-based company that disrupted the construction industry with their novel 3D printing components. Our expertise runs deep with years of experience in additive manufacturing, decarbonization, digital manufacturing, and ESG reporting. And we, as a proven innovators, now we're bringing our expertise and execution power to building resilient coastal systems. As we scale our solution to meet this massive challenge, we will support. Funding would unlock the way to scale our production and impact. Regulatory support would help us to update regulations on purpose-built reefs and streamline the process of permitting. We seek partnerships with those who share our vision among resorts, marine construction companies, NGOs, and also we seek visibility to build awareness about our approach to protecting coastal communities while also regenerating marine life. Join us in building better, resilient coastal systems for all. Thank you.